and then we put it in the corner light socket instead. See, it works. So, can y'all see it? Put y'all up on it. Yeah, I see. Y'all can see we now have white over here in the corner light. My daytime running lights, I should say, but my halos. You see? Side marker.
Hey, forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious. I've been on my block like for so long that I felt bossed in. Homie on my block no more, but I let them know I can't change, yeah. I be in my head like high.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video, we're gonna be finally putting in some different bulbs. I got some LED bulbs. Where I put them? So, got some brand new LED bulbs for my turn signal. Hopefully they work, bro, because I'm tired of struggling to try to find some bulbs for this car, you know what I'm saying, and they don't be working. So hopefully these LED bulbs work. Like I said, I got them. Supposed to be the right number, 1157. That's why I told y'all in the other video, if y'all check that out, when we first hooked up the corner light. So we're gonna try to put these bulbs in there, and I also got a bunch of extra bulbs to try and test out as well. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully everything works out well. Hopefully everything works out good. Got the box Chevy pulled out of the carport right now, which is kind of a mistake because it's a little chilly, but not too cold. You feel me? It's like probably like high 40s, low 50s, somewhere around there. But yeah, we finna get right into this video. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoy this video of us putting new bulbs in the box Chevy. I know my channel has not been doing good at all lately, bro. It's been doing actually terrible, if you want me to be honest. But I'm gonna keep grinding until I can't no more. You feel me? I don't know how much longer I can keep getting away with doing YouTube and it's not bringing in no revenue, you feel me? But I'm gonna keep doing it as long as I can, you feel me? So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, and I'll catch y'all once we get outside so we can start trying out these bulbs and see which ones work and which ones don't. So let's get to work. All right, y'all, so I'm out of the car now, as y'all can see, and we have bulbs right here, so we're gonna go ahead and try them out. This should be fairly quick and easy. Oh snap, my back is hurting, y'all. But yeah, like I said, man, this shouldn't be long at all. Put y'all right here like that, get up under here and just twist this off. So undo this one first and we're gonna try. Hold on, make sure y'all can see. So I need to go ahead and pull this up out of here. Hold on, y'all. And people keep hitting my phone up while I'm trying to work. And like I said, these are brand new bulbs, so they should work perfectly fine. Got one out. It's a little funky kind of design on the bulb, but alright, got that one in. Now I need to do that other side, but I also need to do my corner light because I want to try them bulbs out as well. And I think this is the right corner light socket. I know in the last video I said it was wrong, but maybe it's right because it goes right in, you feel me? So I need to sit that down as well. So before we put any more in, I want to go ahead and test them out. Turn the car over, put my left turn signal on. That's why it wasn't working. Freaking light. And I don't have my jump pack on me, do I? I don't know if I do or not. Let me try and see if I can find my not my jump pack, but my actual jump box to plug into the house walls. So let me see if I got my actual jump box on me, and we're gonna let the battery charge up a little bit. Then we're gonna try and work on these lights, because yeah, it's not gonna work with my battery fully dead. The light's not gonna come on. So yeah, let me try and get that on, then we gon', you know what I'm saying, put the rest of these bulbs in and see what we working with. So yeah, let me find that and I'm gonna come back to y'all again. All right, y'all, so I think I need to invest in a better jump box or battery charger, I should say, but I got one on there. I need to get a new one, a better one. But let's go ahead and see what we can do with these lights. So if y'all can see, this one is on, but it wouldn't work with this bulb, which I don't know why. Let me try again. But yeah, it wouldn't come on with this bulb. Yeah, see, it still won't. So if I put this one back in, I just hate these yellow bulbs though. I forget this mug not twisting in there. There we go. And then we put it in the corner light socket instead. See, it works. So, can y'all see it? Y'all up. Yeah, I see. So the corner light one, it do work with the corner light. So I am gonna leave this up in there with the corner light. Try to get it back in there now. Got it. Alright. So, move up over here. Now my corner light is white, so that's good. We got that one right. But I can't change this one though. I honestly don't know why it's doing that. So I'm gonna put this one in the other corner light up over there. But I need to see what are these? These are red. Can't do red. My eyes are starting to water too. Come on. Now, like I said, I went and got a bunch of bulbs, y'all. So hopefully, man, one of these mugs work. Okay, that won't even fit up in there. Nope. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to go back to the store just to try to find some, bro. This is ridiculous. So I guess we're just gonna have to rock out with this yellow one. Alright. So, did it cut off? Well, I must not have it all the way up in there. Man, why the freak is this mug not twisting now? This is really frustrating me. It's this bulb won't twist in. And I don't have no other ones. I don't think. I'm gonna leave that how it is. Let's go ahead and move on to this side and do the corner light. Well, actually, I gotta turn the blinker on first. And like I said, y'all know it works on my dash now to where it only blinks from just one side at a time. So, see, one side at a time. And like I told y'all in the video before the last one, we fixed the entire wiring problem with this car, you know what I'm saying? So my camera's finna die, so I'm finna try and do as much as I can before my camera die. Oh. Alright, take this one out. Put this one in. You see? Just like it. Come on now, go back in there. There we go. Just like it. Ouch. Ooh. Ouch. Don't make fun of me for that. But y'all can see we now have white over here in the corner light. I guess I'm gonna have to just leave these yellow. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is for now, I guess. But at least we changed our corner lighting. See? Nice and white. That's what I like. But I gotta try and get another bulb in here. So let me look and see if I got some extra bulbs somewhere else, and we'll look and see what we can do. Alright y'all, so what I just figured out is a couple of my bulbs do work, but you feel me, it's like they gotta be a certain way up in here. Watch, I'll show y'all. Like for instance, this small one, this one works and it got the right prongs on the bottom. I put it in. You see what I'm saying? It barely flashes. But if you move it slightly, it ain't gonna flash no more. But do y'all see that? Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see. Alright. Now watch. Like this bulb, it was literally just working all the way flashed up. Now it's barely just the corner. See, now it ain't even coming on. There we go. You see? Now I don't know what's going on with this. So I don't know what else to really try. I mean, even this one was working a little bit. Now it ain't even coming on. I don't know. Maybe it's just saying you don't need to put LED bulbs in the front. Cause I can't get none of these to work now. And I know more than half of these bulbs actually do work. You know what I'm saying? I put the stock one back in. Lights up just like that. You see? So I really don't know. So maybe I'm gonna just have to just leave this how it is and leave my corner lights how they are. I can have some yellow in the front, man. It won't hurt nothing. It won't hurt nothing. It'll be alright. Alright. Oh. So yeah, I ain't gonna put no LEDs in my front bulbs. I'm gonna just leave them how they are. Yep, just leave them how they are. But I do gotta put a bulb in that other side real quick. So let's go ahead and finish that up. And then I can show y'all the rest of my lights. Like I said, cause I fixed all the electrical yesterday. You know what I'm saying? So I can show y'all all the lights and everything. This one not shot, so we're gonna put this stock one in. Alright, and now let's just make sure it works. Just pull up. Make sure it works. So let me cut that side on. And y'all know I got the car on the battery charger, so y'all see it. That's the right side. I don't know why it's flashing so slow. But driver side. Let's see if that bulb come on. Corner lights on, y'all see. And is this bulb on? Yes it is. Barely. So maybe I'm gonna have to just order some LED bulbs for the front. and then leave it how it is, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all see, barely, but it's on. So like I said, I'm gonna just have to order some more actually, because I done ordered all them off like Amazon and yeah, like that. So pour this once for my high beams. I mean, not my high beams, my daytime running lights, I should say, but my halos. You see, side marker. So what I figured out was the side markers are actually supposed to be turn signals, but I wired them up to where they'd be my running lights. So now my side markers aren't turn signal. Only turn signals is these and my corner lights, which I'm guessing I'm making my box Chevy a little different from everybody else's. But what I figured out was yesterday was these are supposed to be turn signals, but now they're running lights. So running light, halo is my running light. Not on, as y'all can see. Not on unless I turn my turn signal on. And then halo, look like half of this one going out, don't it? I don't know. But halo, running light, as y'all can see. Not on. Not on. So yeah, like I said, fixed all the electrical yesterday, wired up the halos right, because that previous owner, he didn't have, well, whoever he had do it didn't have the wire right. And then you pull this one more time. Now my headlight should be on. Yep, y'all see? Headlights are on. I think these went out, because them not coming on now. They supposed to, because I got the high beams on. But this one is on, running light. That one's supposed to be on, but I think it's out. Yep, because this one's out too now. So I think both of them went out. I'm gonna have to put new headlights in here again, and then headlight, running light. So that's a plus. Like I said, I gotta change them headlights out. We'll do that in a later day, because I don't have any on me right now. But everything's done. So yeah, let me clean up all them bulbs and stuff right there. Then I will be coming to y'all for the outro. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so it's gonna be the end of this one. At least we got the corner and lights fixed. And like I said, I'm gonna order a couple more bulbs and see how everything work out, you know what I'm saying, just so we can get them front turn signals done. Now y'all stay tuned for the next video. I've already started it, but I didn't get to finish because I couldn't figure out which wires to use. But the next video, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna spend all day today if I have to get this videos finished, you know what I'm saying. So I hope y'all enjoyed this one. We got the corner and lights to bright whites, they not yellow no more. And my front turn signals, honestly, I don't care about them being yellow, because you know what I'm saying, turn signals supposed to be yellow anyways. But if I can change it, I'm gonna try to change them. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Got to change the headlights again, even though I've done it once already, but now I gotta do it again. But it is what it is, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one. Like, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to auto where y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first, God bless. It's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.